Kiki Parataya, Kiki Parataya.
Hey everybody! Say hi, Kiki.
Say welcome! Kiki Parataya.
Kiki's Family Toy World. Welcome to Kiki's Family Toy World.
We're at the tennis court at the college where we live, so we're excited about what we're doing today.
We're just outside having some fun, and we thought we'd test out this little toy we got a while back ago. It's called, I think, Induction propelled superhero Minion, and it's supposed to be like Captain America.
It's a superhero.
Kind of uniform. And these are the things that fly with, like, allegedly the guidance of your hand. But so we just, okay. Kiki's doing his thing down there. He's a little bit fearful of this thing because it's something he can't control, so he has fears of that. You're in the tennis court? Well, show me your moves.
Do the tornado moves.
Wow. The tornado dance.
Awesome. So should we get started?
You're dancing?
Yeah. Are you done?
Okay.
All right, let's get started. Let's get this party started. Let's get this party started.
All right. So
Ready?
Gaga's gonna do a lift off on this thing.
Ready?
And go ahead, Gaga. Hold on to it before. Okay, now let it go up in the air. After it's done. There it goes.
Oh,
it's bouncing. Whoa. 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 Oh, look at him go. Look at it, Kiki.
Oh, it's doing tornado dance up in the air.
Whoa. Where's he going? Look at him. Where's he going now? He's a couple feet off the ground. Oh, he hit the fence. Crash and burn. The Minion went down. Now we gotta, we do is you shut it off and you turn it back on. Its eyes are flashing now. I don't know if you can see that now.
See, it's flashing.
Its eyes are flashing.
All right. You want to do it again, Kiki? Yeah.
Did you power it back up?
All right, let's see.
His eyes should flash when you power it back up.
Oops, I think it's...
Oh, it can't be toasted yet.
No way. Come on, work, Minion.
There he goes. She slapped him and he worked.
Ready? Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow, there he's bouncing.
Where is he? I'm losing sight of him. There he is.
Here's the Minion.
Let me go around, Kiki.
Where it is.
There he is. He's bouncing. Now he's a couple feet off the ground again.
Tornado spin.
Oh, look at that. Look.
Tornado spin.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, he hit the fence. Crash and burn once again.
All right, Minion. His eyes are flashing.
Okay, well, shut him off.
Gotta get hooked in.
Okay, you want me to hold that? Okay, well, how about if I just set it down?
All right. Go. There it goes.
Okay.
Did you see it?
Not yet. Hold on.
All right. Go. Can you see it, Papa?
Yep.
Ready? Here it goes.
Okay.
Watch it. It's
Oh.
gonna bounce. Oh, it's doing its tornado spin.
There he goes.
Oh no.
Oh, he's gonna hit the fence again.
Oh.
I think. Oh no, he hit the fence and recovered. Oh, he crashed that time.
All right, maybe we should go over here.
Let's go more over in the middle. How about that? That's funny?
Yeah.
No.
All right, over here.
We're gonna go over in the middle of the tennis court, Kiki.
So it doesn't hit the fence, okay? All right. Let's do this about one more time.
Ready, Kiki?
Yeah. Ready?
You excited? You liking this? Kiki, you like it?
Okay.
Oh, where'd he got? There he is.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh, where'd he go?
Oh, he's up in the air. Oh, he's back.
Where is he? Where'd he go?
Whoa, look at him go.
I lost him.
He's spinning. He's doing the
There he is.
spin.
We got him.
Whoa! Look at that. He's almost tall as you.
Whoa!
Whoa!
He's going back toward the fence. Oh, he's going to go flying again.
Whoa! He's coming towards you, Kiki.
Whoa!
Oh! Whoa!
Whoa!
Look at that!
Oh, he crashed again. Oh boy. I don't know how long of a battery these things have. You charge them with a little USB cable.
Yeah, charger.
And we got them at a flea market like before Christmas, and it's one of the things that Kiki got for Christmas that he rarely plays with yet.
A pocket wire.
He's kind of afraid of it. But
all right.
Go! Hey, 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's go over here towards the center.
we'll see what it's gonna do.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Okay, where are we going?
Ready, ready?
Ready, ready. No?
Okay. Papa, you ready?
Yep.
Kiki, you're ready.
Go!
I'm ready.
You ready, Kiki?
Minion, are you ready?
Minion, are you ready?
Minion's ready.
Minion's ready? Whoa! Whoa, where'd he go? There he is.
It's hard to follow him, huh?
Whoa!
Tornado spin. Wow.
Whoa!
Tornado spin. There he is.
What do you think, Kiki?
And you're
Oh!
spin around. Spin around.
Oh, you running around it? Oh, he's gonna go into the net. Nothing but net. Oh no. Okay, well, hey, that's a couple flights of that thing. Any thoughts, guys? What do you think of that toy, Kiki? It's fun?
It's fun.
Yeah?
I like he
Okay.
goes up in the air, right? And spins.
Yeah, he goes up in the
And
air.
does his tornado spin.
Yeah. Get over there by Gaga. Okay? We're gonna be done filming. Tell everybody thank you.
Say thank you.
Say please subscribe.
All right.
We love
heart.
you. Hearts, do hearts.
Kisses. Be to love people.
Yes.
Yes.
And have a blessed day this afternoon with your family.
Minion.
Hey, bye.
Bye.
Hey, bye, Kiki.
Say bye.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We appreciate everyone. We're outdoors getting some air today before it snows in the next couple of days, which we're looking forward to as well. And everybody, please subscribe, share with the whole world, and share it with your friends and family. And again, please subscribe. We appreciate everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.